Hello people, let's make some tacos with unripe plantain. You can actually make tacos with unripe plantain. Unripe plantain is gluten-free, it's healthy, it's high in fiber. So individuals into healthy eating can also indulge. Hope you've been following our page. If you like what you see, keep inviting others. Subscribe to our channel so that you can see more. And let us know which country you are watching us from. We have peeled the unripe plantain, blend it into paste. Unripe plantain naturally will be a little bit loose, so we have to add some flour to thicken it. Now you can make it into dough, then cut it into smaller dough as well. Do you know the tacos are foods of Mexican origin? The miners in those days usually have tacos during their lunch break. They usually have sauces and protein stuffed off into their small size tortillas. Over the years, tacos have been prepared by different regions with different recipes. Taco shells deep fried are usually more crispier than the shell that is baked in oven or on a hot pan. The unripe plantain taco shells are not going to be so crispy because of the material it's made of, although it's more healthier and is a different option from the regular tacos. There are taco machines, but if you don't have, you can always improvise using surfaces with the size of taco to cut out the shape of taco. You will know if your taco is completely cooked when it starts puffing off. Once it's ready, you allow it to cool, then you can stuff up with any veggies, proteins, creams, or any sauce of your choice. Tacos is enjoyed worldwide with different choice of food stuff into it. Unripe plantain taco shell is softer. It doesn't taste like unripe plantain. It tastes more like tortilla. Would you like to try it? Let us know in the comment section. You can share your ideas too. You're welcome.